Weight loss meds are transforming obesity treatment, but when it comes to heart health, exercise may still be the game changer. Researchers at the University of Copenhagen enrolled 130 adults with severe obesity in an 8-week low-calorie diet, helping them lose an average of 30 pounds. They then followed the participants for a year, assigning them to one of 4 maintenance groups: exercise only, weight loss medication only, exercise plus medication, or a placebo. The results? People in both exercise groups had healthier blood vessels and lower levels of inflammation. They saw a 6 to 7% reduction in artery wall thickness, a key marker of heart disease and stroke risk. The combination of exercise and medication also led to additional weight loss, but medication alone and placebo led to no heart benefits. As one researcher put it, weight loss medication is an important tool, but our results indicate that it cannot replace exercise. He says physical activity remains essential for protecting the heart and blood vessels. As for how much physical activity, participants in the study averaged 150 minutes a week, the amount recommended for adults in current U.S. guidelines.